What's up, guys? It's June 27th, 2024. More sideways price action in the markets. I didn't trade today. Um, this is 45. This is the daily. We had that big move up on Monday, I think last week, 17th. And then we've been going sideways. I didn't trade today, but I will say I am surprised with this last bar. All day I was kind of just like leaning bearish, something like that. If you guys did good, made money today, good job. I'm gonna delete this actually. Yeah, I was looking at this. I saw this here, and I was like, okay, yeah, that does look like we're gonna see a lower price. More sellers sitting at highs, like one pullback, like two pullback, like three. I did think this would have been a breakout, but it had a lot of wicks. You got to get out around here. But I wanted to talk about this right here because I was just thinking, like, what if I was trading? Would I be taking these trades? And I do think I would take this trade. I don't know if I would hit out here, but let's say in a perfect world, I take this trade and I hit out. I go short again and hit out. Hold on. I didn't do the math, but now we're just going to do the math. So I did want a short bar 16. I was like, that's a good short. Perfect day. I catch the full 16 points off of that. Below of 16. Go short on a market order, right? That's almost -5. Go short on a market order. So now we're only up 4 points. Would we get short here on bar 54? And if we did, where would we get out? That makes up this, so this scalp makes up for those two trades, but I guess what I'm trying to say, it's a hard day. There's also a trade right here. I just don't know if I would have taken it, so I didn't mark it out. If you bought the low of 28, could have made some money, but it's a hard day. The market's ranging. One thing I want to say when I was looking at this chart, I was like, the next time we have a big move up, I'm just going to go into more of a scalping mode because now we're kind of having range bounds. So I do think some volatility will eventually step in. I don't know what's going to be that reason. So yeah, it's interesting. Be careful on range days. Sell high, buy low. Bar 1, we have a big trend bar. Bar 2 is a trend bar. And I think bulls got trapped right here because FOMO. People see this and see that. They're on a FOMO. They think it's going to go to the moon. Bar 3 is really bad indecision. If you bought here, you got to get out. It's getting sketchy. Playing the open is hard for me, so I sit out till around these bars and I start trading and still get slaughtered. So, no, I'm just joking. I get slaughtered because I do silly things at work with my phone. So, bar 4, the bears are starting to reverse. Bar 5 looks like a test of bar 1's low and it reverses higher. A lot of volatility. That's a big bar. That is a 11-point bar. So yeah, tough. Bar 6 is an inside bar. Leg 1, deep pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3. Bar 9 is another good bar. Doesn't necessarily break the high of bar 3. Bar 10 does go for a new high. We break the high of, excuse me, I want to say bar 4. And then I was looking at this. I thought this was really nice price action. Bears are starting to, bulls are not getting filled and bears are getting filled. These tails show that bears are failing, but bears are also going short right here. Bulls are buying it and bears are getting trapped. Bears also want to short the highs here. The market's more range bound right now. Excuse me. 15, the lower high, kind of like the head and this is the head and shoulders, I think. Head and shoulders doesn't really matter. What matters is that the bullish tried 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. So it even has the energy of a wedge. It just visually it looks more like a head and shoulders. So that's those 3 failed breakouts in one direction. The market goes for a few legs, and the bears get a few legs. Breakout below the EMA bar 18 looks like a pullback. I think bulls could be getting trapped around here, trying to buy early into what they think is a reversal bull flag. They get trapped at bar 19. They don't, stop orders don't, but market order bulls who buy here get trapped. And then the market goes sideways for about 20 minutes, and we have a test of the support. This is the higher time frame EMA. The green one's is 45-minute. This is 5-minute. They're both the 20 EMA. Final flag on support. Final flags and ranges reverse, and that's what we got here. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. This is a weird flag. It's a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, leg 1, pull back leg 2. This is acting as resistance. There's still a small gap open right here. Should be dark enough. I don't like the outline, but I also don't know how to get rid of it. Oh, I just make it red, I guess. It's still there. The gap is below 15 to the high of 17, but then it gets tested right here with these 4 bars. Bar 51 tries to go high, above it, and the gap becomes a little weaker, but there's still a bear gap open. I think traders would see this as a giant wedge top bear flag into resistance. Here's the bear pull, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. There's the wedge top. It's kind of a triangle, which is breakout mode. 1 push, 2 push, 3 push, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it pushes up and reverses. That's breakout mode. Nice bear flag there. Goes for leg 1, pull back. Excuse me, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, sideways. And then it's a TTR right here. Better to just sit out for the day, I think. Because I don't think if you're making money by any of here, it's good to not be trading here. And I just, full disclosure, I say that, but I still do it. But I'm trying to like remind myself, so I don't want to come off as a hypocrite if you guys see me talking about bar 72 in a short. I am definitely trying to not trade here, but sometimes I do trade if I'm in a winning position, sometimes if I'm in a losing position. So I'm working on it. I'm just trying to trade like this part of the day, really. Not specifically today, but if we circle that, maybe like on a, look, I would have caught that leg. I had to go for a haircut. This is good. You know, this is bad. That was, oh yeah, I know about this day. That was Friday. So yeah, pretty cool day. Pretty not cool day, actually. There's a lot of sideways price action. I hope you guys made some money. Hope you guys are doing good. A little bit, it was a quicker video. Sideways sellers are above us, buyers are below us. We're bouncing on the EMA, and I just got the hiccups. I gotta be honest with you guys. I really thought this was gonna be some sort of reversal and spillover, which most likely could have led to me blowing up my accounts because I was sizing up on every down move. Now that I'm having a little bit of like separation, thinking about my actions after blowing up to 10K, and I think I was trying to like time some crazy rollover and make everything back. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Just to take a breather. I'm still gonna trade. I know I said I'm gonna wait till next week. I probably am, but I do want to I like to just stay a little bit in the game. So I'll see how I'm feeling on Sunday. Maybe I'll take a scalp on Monday. Maybe I'll take a scalp on Tuesday. And then I don't know if I'm gonna trade on Wednesday because I don't know. We'll see. I don't think I'm at the point where I can sit out the markets. I need to get as many reps as I can in. So I hope you guys are doing good. We're coming up at 10 minutes, about 8 minutes right now. Drop a comment. I'm gonna start pumping out more YouTube content. I'm going to try to. I have some good ideas. I want to get through the blue book. I want to start the trend book, and I'm working on a slideshow. I am working on a slideshow presentation about the market cycle, but that's going to take me a really long time. Maybe like towards the end of the year, I'm looking for the slideshow because I want to focus on the books first. The book orders are the blue book, trends, trading ranges, and reversals because that's the order of the market cycle. So my idea was to do all those and then make a slideshow, an in-depth slideshow. So you guys have a good one. Let me know what you guys are doing. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are making money. Tough price action these last couple of days. Not the easiest. That is not easy to trade, man. This is where your boy got slaughtered. Oh man, I hope you guys are doing better than I did. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.